Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I will share a quick tip with you all for helping your little ones start reading words. Children often find difficulty in reading CVC words or three-letter words at the beginning. So here is a quick short video on how to make a flip book to help them read easily without any hassle. Okay, we need A4 size papers, a marker and a glue for this. Take the A4 size paper, a bunch of it, maybe 5 or 6, and fold it into half like this. Now we will cut it along the line at the center. So we get a rectangle bunch. There might be 6 to 7 sheets. Okay, now let us fold the top side like this. After that, we are going to stick all of them together. So we'll apply glue on both the sides. Yes. After sticking, we will divide the page into 3 columns like this. Okay. Make sure you don't start drawing the column from the top part. Draw a line with the marker and then start. Now we will write the alphabets. So it is CVC. So CVC. So first we'll write the consonant. We can write any alphabet. I'm writing S. T. P. N. M. And if you have more flaps, you can write the other letters also. Now we will write the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. After that, we will write consonant again. We'll start with T. Then we can write P, N, M, and B. So this is the flip book. Now I'll show you how to make them read. Okay. You will tell them to say the phonics. So S, E, T, set. And they can keep flipping up and down and try out all types of combinations. This is very enjoyable and a fun activity. So the little ones will find it very interesting. Pet. So they keep reading all types of combinations and they get their reading skills enhanced. You can also write two diagraphs, OO or AI diagraph if they have started learning that. You can make one more bunch with the other half which we have. Now another way of making them read is with bottle caps. If you have bottle caps at home, you can write letters on top of that and just give your small one to play with it and tell them to make some words and read them. So they can make words like this and start reading. Try this out and let me know.